Hi, I'm Matilda, and today we have a very special guest. It's Jeremy Fernandez. Hi, Jeremy.
Hi.
Now you have just a minute to tell us about the garden you're in right now. And your time starts now.
So this garden belongs to my friend Helen. We have been friends for more than 20 years and our friendship literally grew under a mulberry tree because we would pluck the fruit and catch up with each other when we were at university. Now this is my favourite part of Helen's garden. Because I live in an apartment, I can't have a veggie garden, but she can. So come in and take a look. We've got this structure to keep the bush turkeys and possums away. But look at all this lovely fruit and veg we've got here. The parsley, silver beet, capsicum, beetroot, and even some little cherry tomatoes here. I reckon these are just about ready to come out of the ground. Now, one thing Helen and I do is gift each other plants to put into the garden. I recently gave her this lemongrass. This is one of my absolute favourite herbs. Helen's never cooked with it before, so I reckon I've got a thing or two to teach her about what to do with lemongrass. But that's part of the joy of being in the garden, is that we can grow these lovely bits of produce, take them into the kitchen and have a few adventures in there too. See ya!